Hi everyone. How to recover deleted files, folders, music, images, and videos? To recover all the files/folders, images, videos, etc., we need to install and launch the Recuva software. For that, go to your Chrome browser and search for Recuva software. Then go to its website and download the software. After the file is downloaded completely, open it and install on your computer. When successfully installed, open it to recover the files. When open, select the All Files option and click the Next button. It will prompt to the file location from where we want to recover the files. We can scan the internal hard drive/external hard drive by connecting to a PC, CD/DVD. We can use a normal scan if we have recently deleted the files by mistake and have not overwritten the hard drive/memory card which we are trying to recover the data from. If we have deleted the files and overwritten the data on that disk, we need to choose the Enable Deep Scan option. Then, press the Next button to continue scanning the disk. It will show the progress of the file recovery. Now, wait for a complete scan. It will show us the list of files that Recuva has recovered. We can restore the recovered data to a local disk or any external disk. That's it for this video. If you are new to this channel, like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Comment below if you want to add some more value to this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. See you in the next video.